FIFA has dished out life bans to the former presidents of the Guam, Nicaraguan and Venezuelan football associations for corruption. Its ethics committee revealed an investigation into ex-Guam FA boss Richard Lai, a former Asian Football Confederation (AFC) official and FIFA committee member, was opened this April when he pleaded guilty to fraud in the United States. The Kuwaiti resigned from his football positions, including a seat on the FIFA Council, a few days after Lai's plea, but he is still a major player in Olympic circles and was instrumental in getting Thomas Bach and Gianni Infantino elected as presidents of the International Olympic Committee and FIFA respectively. Esquivel was also a vice president of the South American Confederation CONMEBOL, and Rocha is a former FIFA development officer, now in its second week.